In websites that you build in Fusion, there are a number of gadgets that you can include on any page. For example, there's a scrolling marquee tool on the top of this page. There's also a gallery tool you can add, where you can add pictures, scroll through them, and click to go off. There's a blog gadget that you can attach to a page, which will display the blog posts for that group or for the whole school. And similarly, we have a calendar gadget. Again, it shows calendar items for the whole school or for that group in particular. These are just some of the gadgets that are available. So I'm going to show you how to add a gadget to a page in your website. So this is the group where I would like to add gadgets to the website. I go to the Group Options menu, choose Manage Website, go to any one of the pages, for example the gallery, and click on Content. So I'm in my gallery page here and I'd like to add a Gallery Gadget. This button at the end of the toolbar is the Gadget button. Click on there and you see the full range of gadgets that are available to you. Feel free to explore these and see what they can do for your website. But for this one, we want to add a photo gallery. Just click to add. Each gadget has different options inside, so for this one I can put in a title and a description. And for this type of gadget, I have to go and find the location. So what I'm looking for is the folder that contains the pictures that I want to include in my gallery. So I click here. Now you can include a folder from anywhere, including your own My Files area. So I'm going to include this My Images folder from inside My Files and click Select. And the final option here is to include all the images, and that includes the ones in subfolders. When you're happy with the settings, say Continue. When you include any gadget on a page, the gadget always appears in the editor as a green box. But when you save that page and view the page, you can see it displays as a gallery. As I mentioned, some other gadgets are slightly different. So if I go to the class blog page and edit my page contents, again add the gadget from here, choose blog. I'll just stay with the default settings, but I'll select the school news for the Year 6 class and continue. Save and view, and you can see the class blog is on the page. So that's how to add gadgets to pages on your websites in Fusion.